Hey guys, Mighty, here's the old hound. He's been escaping, so now he's got himself a collar with his name on it and a phone number, because people have been calling the council on us. I'm a bad dog. No more escaping. Alright, back to business. I was riding along the other day on that last ride, and if you haven't seen it, go and check it out. And it was the one where we had the Land Cruiser join us, like follow us along and carry all our gear, and which was excellent. You know, I had a nice empty light bike. And I was riding along and I thought to myself, shit, all my tools, spare tube, all my bits and pieces are in the bottom of my pannier. Man really needs to get something set up on the bike for, you know, for an emergency kind of thing, you know what I mean? If you do just happen to just jump on the bike somewhere, you go for a bit of a ride, and as you can tell, we live in the bush out here. They haven't always got phone signal, you know, just in case you get a flat tyre or something like that, just to get you out of trouble. And I thought, you know, like I say, we've got the good tyre levers and spare heavy duty tubes and stuff in the pannier bags, but sometimes you just go out with just the bike by yourself, or just the bike, another old dog. And I thought, shit, what can I do about that? So what I've gone and done is, under the seat there's a fair bit of space. I love the seats on these things. Popped it off, and I got a light duty tube because there's not enough room for heavy duty. I might stick a piece of rag across here just to stop it rubbing in case it can, but it seems to wedge in there pretty tight. Got myself a bicycle pump and a couple of old tyre levers, drilled some holes in them and just zipped them into place, so they're all, can't go anywhere. Hopefully I never ever have to use this gear, it's just there for in case. Inside the factory toolkit I put a little 6-inch, well, we in Australia we call them a shift and spanner, crescent wrench, I don't know, whatever else you call them around the world, but you know, your adjustable spanner, your adjustable spanner, which gets onto the rear, does fit the rear wheel, and the 14mm Allen, which does fit the front wheel. So yeah, so I thought to myself, at least then if I do come unstuck, and the standard toolkit will kind of undo bits and pieces, and then to undo my zippies, I'm pretty sure there's a pair of pliers in here, but if not, I've always got, what have I got in here? A multi-tool, which will at least cut those zippies off if I need to get at them, you know what I mean? So hopefully I never ever need to use that stuff, but it's there if I need it. Yeah, light duty tube, just a 21-inch, which will fit in the rear and the front to get me out of trouble, because I am running tubes on this bike. Yeah, unfortunately the tyres I like, they just don't have a tubeless option, so I'm running the Dunlop D606 on the rear, a 130, which fits quite well on that 140 rim. I'm happy with it, so I'll be sticking with them. They're only 140 bucks each here in Oz. And the Pirelli Rally Race, Scorpion Rally Race, it's 90-90-21, again tube type. It's, this one here's done about 7,000 k's and it's still got another couple of rides left in it. So, and again, I'm really happy with it too. And I'll keep that because I've got the big monster over there for running tubeless road tyres. That's essentially my road bike, and this is my dirt bike. But yeah, so no, that's, I thought that's my good little get me out of trouble. Any other cool ideas, please let me know in the comments, because yeah, very handy. The other good thing we do, Daryl always does this, an Anderson plug, about a foot of wire straight off the battery. So if you're out with one of your friends, you get a flat battery, every bike's got one, pull up beside it, plug it on. It's also handy with our 12-volt pumps and that sort of stuff when we've got our panniers with us. But if I haven't got my panniers, I'm on the old hand pump. At least that'll get me out of trouble. Cool. Cheers guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and all that sort of nonsense. See ya.